Yeah, we're going to start working now on our plants. So for this, we'll just select our first terrain, open material editor, and we're going to add new layer and switch this layer to actually right here to the ecosystem. Okay, as we move this layer, now we want to add plants, and we're going to select add item. Let's go ahead, add plant. In our plants, we want to add some of the palms looking. So let's go ahead, select the palm. Actually, I need downloaded this, so I'm not installed on this version. Let's see what we have available for us. And of course, we have a banana plant, so we'll go select that one. Okay, let's go ahead, add another plant. We'll probably go to bushes, and inside bushes we have Kenta. Yeah, let's go to add that one. Let's go to add another plant. Okay, we have palms right here. We'll go to add coconut palm. Add another plant. And here's things. The more you add kind of plants, the more interesting it will look. So the different type of species, they kind of combine together and they give it this nice natural messiness kind of almost look. Okay, I think that is good. Now, next we'll not go use ecosystem. We'll just click and use the paint tool. Okay, let's look on our brushes. And we'll just set our normal applet brush. We have it set brush radius, flow, fallout, so we'll just set as default. We maybe want to change some resolution, so let's switch to population. In the population, we can work a little bit with the density, so I will pop up a little bit high, and let's just draw first line. Okay, let me remove this one to different screen to preview, and I'm just looking on the size of this. Okay, and actually look about right size, except how I said before, it is maybe not too many of them. So let's go plant a little bit more on top, right here. And then next I'm unchecking limit density. So now we'll have it much more. And as well, let's take scale a little bit down. So we have our big ones. Now we're going to put it smaller plants. Same, I'm kind of brushing around. And in preview, you can see we have it bigger and bigger population. So other things I'm taking even, let's take our scale way down. And just right here with the edge, I'm just going to put it on the edge a little bit more. Again, there's much smaller plants, and it will create a very nice on a shore kind of mix that going in water almost. So let's go ahead, add a little bit more on the top of our mountain. Okay, and you can see with paint tool beside we can place it where we wanted. The also benefit of this, it's much more reduction on the how many of the instance we can put it in. Okay, right there I can see opening, so let's go bring a little bit more plants in this health, and we'll just go ahead, increase scale back up, and I'm just going to paint right around this area. Like this. So just to cover this element, this area. Yep, it's look much better now. Okay, our mountain is a little bit hiding, which is okay, because we're going to take back, click OK. Now we'll take our other terrain, and I'm going to actually increase, make it higher. And again, we'll position our camera properly and we'll have it just on the back. Okay, let's take our sunlight. And we'll move our sunlight just on the side. Make about golden hour kind of look. So right there you can preview, kind of going nice. We can try going put it behind a mountain almost. Maybe around this area. Just like this, peeking through the mountain. That will create also interesting lighting for us. Okay, actually, you know what, before we do play with sun, one thing I want to do, click on main camera and disable after exposure. Click OK, because that will kind of mess up a little bit. And also in atmosphere editor, I want to go switch from photometric to spectral. It just will create for me a little bit more illustration effect, and I prefer that better. But again, this is just a personal preferences. Okay, I will click OK, and now I can take my sun and reposition maybe around here. Just play a little bit more with the lighting and positioning. Okay, I think this is look something more interesting. Okay, let's bring it a little bit higher. And I think this is a nice start for us to start work on atmosphere that we're going to do in our next tutorial.